chunky, spiced potato with spicy tahini dressing. I guess all I can say is it's delish. Your mom's gonna like it, your daddy's gonna like it, your dog's gonna like it. Let's take a look. Grab the most generic potatoes you've got. I always like to have some russets on hand, grocery store style, grocery store brand, $1.99 for 10-pound type potatoes. Then we're gonna make them into big dog chunks, double chunk. We're gonna cut those chunks into fourths and we're gonna scoop them into our medium bowl. Anything you got's gonna work. Big stainless is easy to wash. I love having those around. You can get these at any restaurant supply. It's for the pro dogs out there. Once we got these potatoes cut up, we're gonna toss them up with some black pepper, red chili flake, garlic powder, salt. I used to think garlic powder was lame. I didn't like to use it, but I've converted. I use it for quite a bit now. In this application, on the outside of some chunky roasted potatoes, garlic powder is just what the doctor ordered. One thing I love about this dish is that it's an easy weeknight side. You could do this on a weekend for a dinner party. You got some friends coming over, they're bringing some bubbles, you're gonna be drinking white wine, nice spicy, crispy, hard roast potatoes with some grilled chicken. I'm throwing these in a 475-degree oven. That's just about as hot as I can go at home, and it's plenty of heat. This sauce is a combination of stuff you should have in your fridge already. Tahini, Calabrian chilies, sambal, some rice vinegar, and a little bit of water to loosen it up, and we're gonna spin it. We don't have to give it a crazy hard spin, just enough to break everything up. We're gonna double check our consistency, and we're gonna set that aside. I got a half bunch of cilantro and a half bunch of parsley here. Any herbs you've got in the fridge work. Mint, dill, fennel, fronds, though anything here is going to be pretty tasty. After about 15 minutes, we're going to hop back into the oven, pull everything out, and flip these potatoes and make sure we're not getting burnt anywhere. 475 is super hot, so we got to be a little bit careful. While you're waiting for the potatoes to roast, I recommend sipping on an iced tea, calling a friend, doing some push-ups. Any of these work. Once these potatoes are deeply roasted, we got great color on every side, we're going to pull them out and we're going to plate up right away. 475 super hot, so these things are going to cook quick. Probably 25 minutes, 30 minutes start to finish. But we're going to act like we got some friends coming over for a little dinner party, even though we definitely do not because we're in quarantine. But I'm saucing it very liberally with this tahini sauce, and then I'm topping with some cilantro, parsley, and then just because I'm feeling extra crazy and like a total bad boy, I'm going with some pepperoncinis, or as I like to call them, pepperoncini dogs. I'm going to be cooking from home for at least the next month, making videos. So if you got any ideas of things you want to see me cook, types of foods you want to see, put a comment down below. Smash that subscribe. Thanks for sticking around.